This page is specified for login, for administration and learners. If login button is clicked without enter anything, message will be displayed as shown, as well as in case enters incorrect username or password, message will be displayed as well. Admin as the username and password 123 and click on login. This page will be displayed, which allows admin to add and update unit, add material, semester, lecture, show and delete unit, models, learners, lectures, search about a specific learner, as well as adding learner, edit learner, which means edit information for a learner, as well as here can upload TCA or assignment. In addition, the admin can be add lectures instruction, test instruction, add guide, or post announcement for people, for learners who have been registered for all the units, as well as allows fantastic flexibility to administration to export learners details depend on which unit or all the units, for the all units, as well as admin can be upload CRP as shown. Let us start with adding unit. If the administration add, click on add unit without enter anything, message will be displayed, as well as if he to select a unit it already exists and click on add unit, message will be displayed. Here allows to an example. Here we don't have the unit with the number, and type the title, an example, help, and the description, blah blah, and click on add unit. Unit information have been added successfully. If you'd like to actually edit this information example and click on save this previous one, and the information have been changed successfully. If we go an example for that one and back to 9, we'll find the title has been changed, as well as we can describe as well as we can amend the description. Add material. This page allows admin to actually add a material. For example, here the title, an example C++, and the code CSY 300, and the description whatever, and here choose which unit. Because we have only 9 units, so only these units will be displayed in the combo box, and an example for unit 9, and here choose which semester and click on add material, message will be displayed, and let's suppose here click right, go, will find out this folder has been created for this model to add lecture for this model, lectures for this model. If he tries to add it twice, this material already exists. This page is specified for administration to amend semester. If we enter correct dates if all the dates are correct, which means the second semester, the starting of the second semester should be greater than the end of the first semester, and the starting of third semester should be greater than the ending of first and second semester. As well as in case the date in the past, message will be displayed. In addition, in case the ending of each semester less than the starting of the semester, message will be displayed as shown. Here, if we an example in January, and let's suppose is 22, and message here, this semester end date should be greater than start date. For example, suppose the March, and here if we make it like in February, message will be displayed invalid starting date for the second semester or third semester. So message will be displayed that in May, March, an example, and let's suppose 9. So if all these cases has been checked and click on amend, the information have been amended successfully and should be shown in the list view. This page is specified to adding a lecture for a specific material. If we click on add lecture without enter anything, message will be displayed as shown. Click on, if let's suppose the lecture title introduction, cipher, and description whatever. Here we can choose which lecture. Example here, lectures, the lecture, suppose the lecture, and here select which week should be displayed this lecture. An example here 5, and which material, like C++. So timetable will be generated automatically for this lecture to as automatically by coding to calculate the date released for this lecture. Click here. So this lecture will be added for the C++ material, and click on save, and the lecture has been added successfully as shown. This page is specified for administration to show example here all units with their information, show all modules with their information, show all the lectures with their, as this is the last one has been added, lecture, as well as show all learners here. When click on show all learners, we can select any learner and can delete an example here, beta, click on delete. This message will be displayed to ensure that the would like to delete, because maybe somebody click on the delete button by mistake. So if you'd like to say no, will not delete. If we say yes, this will be deleted as shown. This button when clicked show this message to actually search about an example learners by his or name, an example, so that Mahmoud Jassim has been displayed, or by his email, an example. By email, or by an example any character of, so all the people who has J, an example here and here and here, all these people, as well as the application allows admin to add new learners if he tries to enter numbers instead phone number. The password should be greater than 8 digits, address whatever, postcode. He should select which unit. All the units have been stored will be selected in the combo box. If he click on the button with the name by enter numbers, message will be displayed. Let's suppose here Jack, Mark. If he enter an example, the password should be 8 digit and above. In case all the fields are required, any field doesn't exist. If the email address, an example, invalid email. So all the cases has been checked for the security. So when you click on add new learner, learner information have been added, and we'll check the email address. Here we'll find out the username and password for this learner. If we click on the add learner with the same formation, message will be displayed, says that already exists. So we can add the same learner twice. Here when you click on edit button, this combo box will be displayed, which all learners that have been stored in the file that belong to save all learners details. Let's suppose select the username. All the information for the username will be displayed. To amend, actually, an example, the password one here, example, or phone number as well, and the address example for the unit, and select on save. This is the previous information, and click OK. The information have been changed successfully, and email should be received, which includes a new username and password that have been